Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to resize all rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet and use selected rows or selected table rows and select all rows. Right click on your mouse and see this. Right click and see this no sense resize row. Simply click here and drag your mouse on your mouse and see this resize all rows and use select hold shift right click resize row 25 again use only selected, apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.